Hello and welcome all to the Smorgasbord Live. I had not planned this video at all, so I brought it out, and I think the necessity to bring out this video came out due to something that came to my notice a couple of days ago. So, one of our domestic help here at the place where I'm stationed at my parents' place, away from my home city, but still, which is my sort of my naturalized hometown now. So, one of the domestic help came right up to us and spoke about a scheme that she had heard of. She said this is a scheme which talks about, she had again got this from hearsay and sources, people who had told her that this is a scheme that is meant to help a domestic help on a sort of a pension basis through the lifetime on the basis of an application that is to be picked up across the counter somewhere, to be filled up by someone, and some officer signs across on it, and then somebody takes the onus of submitting it and ensuring that this pension kicks off for every girl child or female member in a family where the total income of the family is not about 30,000 per annum or some such thing. This was the broad essence of the scheme she brought to our notice and asked, this is what it is, and maybe we should inform others also of similar circumstances. So, we took it upon ourselves when we heard this saying, hey, this sounds interesting, we must pass on the information to others. But the very same lady then comes back in less than 24 hours with a form, which was written in Kannada, which is the state language here, since I am right now based in Karnataka. And she said, this is the form and this is what it is. And I'm not even sure whether it's a genuine form now, because somebody told me that nothing happens, no credit happens to the account directly, and also I got this signed through an officer in the local government hospital, and I'm not sure whether this is a genuine form at all. Could you investigate? So then, by the look of it, by the look of the form, it did come off as something that could possibly be a Ponzi. I was almost convinced at that point of time, having taken a first look at the form, that it was a Ponzi scheme. Eventually, my mother and I did some investigation around this, and then we realized that, basis our enquiries of course, that the scheme is not a Ponzi scheme, and which is why I decided I will come out with this video so that more and more people can kind of educate themselves, and also maybe educate the domestic help who come and seek clarification from them. So, this is just a summary video to help spread awareness. This is a scheme started by the Karnataka government, the government of Karnataka, through the sevasindhu.gov.karnataka.in portal. Okay, so the portal goes by different names. This is Sevasindhu, SEVASINDHU .karnataka, KARNATAKA.gov.in, gov.in/Sevasindhu/Kannada if you have decided to access the portal in Kannada, or /English if you have decided to access the portal in English. If you go to this portal, there is a place which talks about relief for one-time compensation. So, this is not a monthly lifetime pension scheme. It's a one-time compensation that is run for domestic workers and workers in the unorganized sector as a result of being affected by the second wave of COVID-19, which means this is a very topical scheme which is going on right now. It's newly introduced, but it's seasonal, and it is for those families of domestic workers, or it is for those domestic workers or workers in unorganized sectors who have been affected by the COVID-19. So, any domestic worker that you know of who's eligible for this can avail of this scheme. That is one part. Okay. So, when you click on this particular icon on the portal, it will lead you to two parts. Part A, it will lead you to an employment form of an unorganized worker who's part of an establishment, or it will lead you to an employment certificate which is of a domestic worker. As is applicable, if it is clicked on, you can download the form. The domestic worker has a form to fill in, a very beautiful form to fill in. Once that form is filled in, it will ask you to proceed to apply. When you proceed to apply, there is an entire online form that is to be filled, basis Aadhaar card details, BPL card details and bank account details and employer details if the person is in an establishment or if the person is working with someone in someone's house. Either way, employer details will be asked. Then the applicant has to upload the employment certificate which they would have downloaded and gotten signed earlier, and that is to be submitted along with this online form. And then the portal completely accepts the form and gives you an application status, after which there is a process for this to move and the money to come into the account of the applicant. The application status can also be tracked. So this is where most of the times people, gullible people, fail to understand. The scheme is genuine, it is not Ponzi. But where it tends to become Ponzi is in the fact that the applicants do not follow the online mechanism purely because of the digital divide, and there is no one to guide them. So there are middlemen who step in and take the forms from them, saying that we will do this on your behalf, and then they disappear into nothingness. You never get to hear about them. So the truth of the matter is, this scheme is completely digital and online, and your domestic help, if not digitally savvy by themselves, has to take the help of someone like you or someone else who can actually do this process in a matter of 20 minutes to half an hour for them, and eventually the money gets credited into their account. So this is all that has to be followed. Go on to sevasindhu.karnataka.gov.in/sevasindhu/Kannada or English, depending on what language you want to use, and go on to the place which talks about relief for 11 unorganized sectors affected by the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, which says a new, and it shows a new or latest bar against it. Click on that and the process follows. There is a user manual and a video manual recorded for the use of people who are not aware of the process. There is a detailed step-by-step process to guide you through the whole thing as well. It's a very comprehensive manual which will take you through the process. So please spread the awareness amongst your domestic help who are a vulnerable group of, segment of people right now who are hard pressed for income, and there are a whole set of middlemen who are actually turning a very genuine scheme into a Ponzi scheme. Kindly inform them, kindly tell them, and make sure that this scheme takes off and a lot of people, genuinely needy people, make use of this and become the true beneficiaries of this scheme, which is now being announced and run by the government of Karnataka. So that is my request to all of you who are watching this video. Thank you so much.